In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 foods that can help you restore your eyesight and maintain long-term eye health. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description for the best essential products for eye health. These can be a great addition to your diet and lifestyle to keep your vision sharp. As we age, our eyesight naturally declines, and for many, this can lead to serious vision problems. However, did you know that the food you eat can have a significant impact on protecting and even improving your eyesight? Let's look at the top 5 foods you can add to your diet today to protect your vision for years to come. 1. Carrots. Carrots are a classic favorite when it comes to eye health, and for a good reason. They're packed with vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant essential for night vision and overall eye health. Additionally, they contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. By eating carrots regularly, you can strengthen your retina and cornea and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are powerhouses for your eyes. They're rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, all of which help prevent damage from harmful UV rays. Leafy greens also lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a common cause of vision loss in older adults. Adding these greens to your meals can give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy. 3. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and protect against free radical damage. These nutrients can help prevent dry eyes, improve overall vision, and lower the risk of AMD. Consuming fish regularly can also protect your eyes from environmental damage. Number 4. Berries. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are bursting with vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins, which improve blood flow to the eyes and protect them from UV damage. These nutrients also combat age-related vision problems, helping you maintain clear, healthy eyesight. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and magnesium. These nutrients protect your eyes from oxidative stress, enhance blood circulation, and reduce the risk of AMD. Just a handful of nuts and seeds daily can make a big difference. Final thoughts. By incorporating these 5 foods into your diet, you can take a proactive step toward improving your eyesight and maintaining overall eye health. Combine this with a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, proper hydration, and wearing protective eyewear to maximize your results. Don't wait, start today. And if you're experiencing any vision concerns, consult an eye specialist for expert guidance. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.